Hello everyone, so now I'm going to discuss example 24b. 4x minus 5 over x greater than x minus 2. Question number 1. Is it possible for us to cross multiply? The answer is no. Reason? Because x is a variable and is not a fixed constant. So we are not allowed to cross multiply in inequalities. So my step number 1 will be transferring x minus 2 from the right to the left so that we have 0 on the right. So we will have 4x minus 5 over x minus bracket x minus 2 greater than 0. Second step, I'm going to equate the denominator where we will have 4x minus 5 over x minus x minus 2 multiply with x. Next, I'm going to combine them and then expand the situation. So 4x minus 5 minus x bracket x minus 2 over x greater than 0. 4x minus 5 minus x squared plus 2x over x greater than 0. Negative x squared plus 6x minus 5 over x greater than 0. Now I'm going to rearrange the situation so that the coefficient of x squared will become a positive 1. So now I'm going to transfer to the right hand side and we will have x squared minus 6x plus 5 over x less than 0. Next, I'm going to factorize the situation so that it becomes a simplest form. So where we will have x minus 5 bracket x minus 1 bracket over x less than 0. Since this is a simplest form, so it is the moment or the time for us to determine the sign, where we have a negative. Next, we're going to split the situation and we will have x minus 5, x minus 1, and x. Do remember, whenever we split the case, we have to assume it's always positive. So we will have greater than 0, and greater than 0. So finally, x will be greater than 5, x will be greater than 1, and x greater than 0. Now I'm going to illustrate the situation in a number line. And I'm going to locate the number where we have 0, followed by 1, and finally 5. X greater than 0, empty circle, greater than 0 in level 1, followed by x greater than 1, another level, empty circle to the right. Finally, we have x greater than 5, another empty circle to the right. So we have to assign the negative sign in the empty space, where we have negative, negative for the second level, and negative for the third level, negative and negative, and negative. Because this is a positive number line. So next we are going to multiply the situation. So we will have a negative sign, followed by negative, multiply with negative, we will have a positive sign. Then we have negative. So we will have a negative sign. Finally, we have a positive sign as a product. Now is the moment to check back the sign required by the question, which is a negative sign. So here will be the region. So finally, want to express our answer in a number line, we will have negative infinity until 0, where 0 is not included, union 1 until 5, where 1 and 5 is not included. So this will be the interval form. If we want to express our answer in set notation, for all x value such that x is less than 0 or x will be greater than 1 and less than 5. So this is what we call the set notation. So as a summary, step number 1, I'm transferring the variable from the right to the left so that the right hand side is equals to 0. Step number 2, equate the denominator. Step number 3, expand the situation. Step number 4, simplify the situation. Step number 5, I'm factorizing the situation. And then determine the sign by using the love sign. And then assume always positive. Then we have a number line. And then finally we have our answer. So that is a summary. Hopefully you can learn something. So here we are, and thanks for watching.